Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss right here on Phemex. So let's say we want to create an order and we want to add a stop loss in this order. A stop loss means that when that price amount will hit, that he will automatically close your trade and that he will, what it already says, he will stop your losses. Because let's say Bitcoin is now standing on 66k and the price drops down to 60k. I don't want to lose that much money, so then I create a stop loss to do on risk management. So right now what we're going to do is we search for the symbol that we want to buy. Bitcoin is fine right now. And then we go here to open, market, and then we can fill in right here how much we want to buy. We can do this in USDT, or we can select right here Bitcoin and then fill in right here how much Bitcoin you want to buy. I like USDT more because then I can fill in specific for how much money we want to step in. So I want to create an order of 100 right now. And then what we're going to do now is we click right here on the TPSL, that is standing for take profit and stop loss. Then we go down where you will find right here SL price. Then what I'm going to do right here is we fill in 60k. And this means that when the price drops to 60k, this is then our loss, and then he will close our position. So it's seriously that easy. Then we can click right here on the green button, open long, and then we do right here, confirm. And then if you go right here to the bottom, to our positions, you will find right here the Bitcoin position with right there on the right SL 60k. So this is how you can create a stop loss right here in Phemex. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.